Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Hello, my friends. Merry Tradesmas. My name is Alex, aka Alex Jake from TTF Discord. This is, my friends, a trade that I took at the 25th of November. And in this video, I'm going to explain you in depth my whole thought process and the reasoning why I executed this trade. First of all, I would like to begin saying to all of you that, as many of you know, I create my daily trading idea based on the IDR concepts here in TTF that we learn here in TTF. The day began with a huge consolidation through Tokyo, London also. As you see, price was in a price range of about 50 points the whole day. But because it was Monday, you see that we had this new weekly opening up over here. And what is the concept of the gaps? That we always expect price to fill the gap. To be, although 100% honest with all of you, when I saw the mix session begin, this huge manipulation move towards the upside, I wasn't so sure, to be honest with you, that price would 100% go for the gap. I believed at that point that price will leave it for future filling. That's why I let the opening to show its hand, and you see with this huge downside move, we had this heavily bearish move, breaking, of course, the ASNDR level range. They tested it perfectly. I won't lie to you, I wasn't in front of the charts at this point in order for me to execute this first ASNDR breakout trade that was presented in front of us, saving me for sure for one loss. I was preparing because in the 25th I was live streaming at that time. So I patiently waited, and during the live stream, we took all together a trade on CL that unfortunately ended up in a loss. And after the live stream, I patiently waited because I saw price again pulling back to the AZNDR, and I was confident to take this trade. We also had the confirmation that our New York box was red. What does this mean? This means that the opening price is above the closing price. So when this happens, the box is red. And the opposite, of course, is when the opening price is down from and the closing price is above the opening price, then the box is green. So going down to the 1 minute, I waited patiently for my fractal frenzy signal to print. As you all see, we had over here our really nice change of character. I unfortunately can never forget my older education that was mostly on the SMC concepts, and waiting patiently for my signal. for sure remember that at this point uh, we had a fractal frenzy signal. I took, of course, I executed based on the candle and, of course, the closure of the candle. It consolidated a little bit, retesting, pulling back again, but we see that we have the confirmation also the EMA is staying bearish. This is a really good indication that price will continue bearish. And here, as you all see, it perfectly gained bearish momentum perfectly at this candle. It made me happy. Why? Because it hit my break-even level. I was risk-free at this point. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. And of course, after two candles, we hit our 1.5 RR, nailing one more point for strategy watch. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next time, my friends.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.